Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about the range of rational functions if the polynomial are given in the following forms. First, linear by linear. First, linear by linear. Linear by linear. Second form, quadratic by quadratic with common factor third type, quadratic by quadratic or linear by quadratic with no common factor or without common factor. Now we take the H types are discussed with the example. Now, range of rational functions. First type, linear by linear. It means that we take examples 1 y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. This is in the linear form. For all x belongs R minus bracket minus d by c. Find the range of y. Domain and range. Y coordinate is known as range. Here given y is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d by cross multiplications. This is cx y, this is x cy, x cy, this multiply dy equal to this ax plus b. Now we calculate the value of x, imply that here this comes here cy and this here a in bracket x equal to, because cyx here and this minus ax, x is a common, so that here b minus dy. Now ax equal to b minus dy divided by cy minus a. Here y equal to cy minus a equal to 0. Y equal to a by c. Y equal to a by c. If y put here y equal to a by c, that become infinity. So that for real value of y, does not equal to a by c, because if put y equal to a by c, that become infinity, so that y belongs r minus a by c. Here a is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x in denominator, in nominator, and c is, and here c is the coefficient of x in denominator, so that this is our result. Now we take example y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 2. This is in the form of linear by linear. This is in the form of linear by linear range of rational function, so that range of rational function y belongs r minus a by c, so that y belongs r minus a. Here a is the coefficient of x in nominator. Similar conditions, here a is nominator, a equal to 2, and c is the coefficient of denominator, that is coefficient of x in denominator, that is c. Here c is 3, 2 by 3. Now y belongs r minus 2 by 3. This is our answer. So that such type of problem are asked in the JEE mains. This type of problem is very easy, and it will take a short time. Now second type, quadratic by quadratic form without common factor. If there is not common factor in the numerator as well as denominator, solving such type of problem, find the range of the expression. This solution y equal to 2x square plus x minus 3 divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 5 without common factor. First of all, we factorize it. 2x square plus x minus 3, 3 to the 6, and here is negative, so that difference of this is 1, 2x square plus 3x minus 2x and minus 3. Here 3x minus 2x, that is 1x, no change. Now here we take common x, here 2x plus 3, and in this case minus 1, 2x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3 common, in this case x minus 1. Thus the factor of this is x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Y equal to this x minus 1 and 2x plus 3 divided by, we also factorize this 3x square plus 2x minus 5. Here is negative, 5 and 3 15, and divide the 15 in two parts. The difference is equal to 2 because here is negative. 3x square plus 5x minus 3x, 2x no difference, and 5. We take common x here, 3x plus 5, and in this case we take minus 1, 3x plus 5. Now 3x plus 5 here rest x minus 1, so that we can write 3x square plus 2x minus 5, this x minus 1, and 3x plus 5, Now x is minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1, so that x does not equal to 1. X does not equal to 1 because we put x is equal to 1, this is become infinite, and y is equal to 3x here. Also in this case y belong r minus, y belongs r minus 2 by r minus. Now second type, quadratic by quadratic form with common factor. Here find the range of the expression this, and y equal to 2x square plus x minus 3 divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 5. First of all we factorize it, and this here with common factor, here x minus 1 is the common factor in the numerator as well as denominator, and x minus 1, it means that x does not equal to 1, and 3x minus plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5 by 3, so that the value of x does not equal to 1 or minus 5 by 3. Now putting the value of x in the polynomial, here this and this cancel, and putting the value of x equal to 1, this equal to the 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and 5 3 8, 5 by 8, and x belongs this a by c, this is r minus a by c, where a is the coefficient of x is the coefficient of x in numerator, that is coefficient of x numerator equal to 2 and denominator equal to 2 by 3, and thus range of polynomial in y belongs r minus 2 by 3 and 5 by 8. This is our answer. Next, we have discussed about the quadratic by quadratic or linear by quadratic with no common factor. Range of rational functions, third type, quadratic by quadratic or linear by quadratic with no common factors. Here are no common factors. First of all, we have discussed the linear by linear, and then after quadratic by quadratic, where common factor in the numerator and denominator exist. But in this type of expressions, there are no common factor in numerator and as well as denominator. Now find the range of expression y equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 4 for all x belongs R. Now we put y equal to 1 in this case. If we put y equal to 1 in this case, this becomes 1 equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 4. Now this becomes this x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. It means that x square cancel, this and this, 6x equal to this and this also cancel, that is equal to 0, x equal to 0. So that x equal to 0, in this case y does not belong to 1. Y does not belong to 1. So that now solving such type of problem, factorize and cancel any common factor. Here factorize and cancel common factor. Here common factor cancel करना है. नेक्स्ट में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एंड form a quadratic in x. If you factor it, there are no common, and now solve this cross multiply y equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 3x plus 4. First case not applicable because here no common factors, and now second cross multiply and form quadratic equation is x. Cross multiply here also this y x square plus 3xy plus 4y equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Now it arranged in the quadratic form. X here x square y, and this comes here minus x square, so that minus 1 plus x here 3y, here product minus 3x is plus 3 and x, and now rest terms 4y, here 4y, and this comes here minus 4 equal to 0. Now by cross multiplication yx square 3y 3xy and 4y and this term here. Now y square x square y minus 1 and 3x common 3y minus 3y here plus 3y plus 3x and plus 4y here minus 4y. Now d greater than, here cross multiply and form a quadratic in x, d greater than equal to 0, apply check for leading coefficient equal to 0. Now d greater than equal to 0, d means b square minus 4ac, here b we comparison ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant terms. Now b is the coefficient of x, here coefficient of x, here coefficient of x, this 3 comes out 3y plus 1. This can be written as such that 3y plus 1 का square minus 4a equal to y minus 1, a is the coefficient of x square, a c 4 also 4 y minus 1 ac 4y minus 1. Now 3 3 is 9, a plus b whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1, 4 4 is 16, and this y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than equal to 0. Now 9y square minus 16x square minus 7y square and 18y and 60 32, that is 50y, and 9 and minus 16 minus 7, that is greater than equal to 0. But we apply the sign minus negative sign, then this become positive, 7y square negative and positive, and inequality change in this case less than equal to 0. Now factorize it, 7 7 are 49 and 49 into 1 equal to 50, so that we get the factor of this y minus 7 and 7y minus 1 less than 0. It means that y belongs to 7y minus 1 equal to 0. It means y equal to 1 by 7 and here y equal to 7. This is our answer. Now third type, quadratic by quadratic form with no common factors. Here are no common factors. Now so that y equal to x plus 1 and x minus 2 divided by this multiply x square plus 3y. Now if you put y equal to 1 in this polynomial, this y equal to 1, this is x square plus 3x and x square minus 2x and plus x minus 2. x square cancel 3x and here minus x. After that 4x and this is minus 2, x is equal to minus half, so that y does not equal to 1, y does not equal to 1. In this case, now we assume that convert of this in the quadratic form in x, as we know that here cross multiply and form a quadratic in x, d greater than 0, calculate then it x square and y and here 1 and x 3y 3y and this minus 2x x minus 2x and x, this and this is 3y minus 1 and this comes here plus 2. Now find the range of this. This is here y x square y plus 3xy equal to x square and minus 2x plus x and minus 2. Now x square y and here this minus 1 and take common x 3y and here minus 1 is plus 1 and here comes plus 2. D greater than equal to 0. D means b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. B is the coefficient of x, 3y plus 1 chi square minus 4a coefficient of x square, and that is a constant terms. 3 is 9y square plus 1 plus 2 into product of this 3 to the 6y and this is 4 to the 8 minus 8y and minus plus 8, that is 9y square and this minus 2y plus 9. D less than this is, it means that d less than 0. A leading coefficient here, A is the leading coefficient, that is greater than 0, so that y belongs R, thus range will be all real value. This is our answer. Now like, subscribe our videos and share with your friends. Thank you.